most respected, dynamic power star, not only from the film industry. He is the power star in a political arena entire from South India. Self-made man, man of ethics, man of values, man of service. That is Pawan Kalyan ji, Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh government. More respected Arvind Menon ji, our Secretary in charge Tamil Nadu. Presiding officer, our respected Talaivar, Manila Talaivar, my loving brother, MLA from Tirunelveli, very lovable person, seasoned politician, Nayanar Nagendranji, our dynamic politician, administrator as governor, ex-governor, previous president, ex-president of Bharatiya Janata Kutch, Dr. Tamilsai Soundararajan, another dynamic minister from Andhra Pradesh government, Satya Kumar ji, Minister for Health, Arjun Murthy ji, Chakravarti ji, and our intellectual brother Radhakrishnan, ex-MP ji, and Anil Anthony ji, his father A.K. Anthony ji is very fond of me at those days. His youngster is upcoming leader. And Anayavarakam Vanakam, sitting on off the dais, Karun Nagaraj ji, Venkatesh Maurya ji, Keshav Vinayakan ji, Doraswamy ji, everybody visible. And dear friends, Anayavarakam Vanakam, Sahodara Sahodaragalai, Valtikal Nalvaltikal for this mission. One nation, one election. First of all, I would like to congratulate our dynamic, beloved Prime Minister, world leader, Bharat Mata Suputra, Narendra Modi ji and armed forces who fought like anything, who achieved Operation Sindoor against terrorism, where the evil designs of Pakistan has been marooned by dismantling the terrorist camps in 9 areas, and 100 terrorists have been killed. And they have shown the mighty force of Army, Navy and Air Force with our intelligence scientists like BrahMos and Akash, so many Astra Shastra within Make in India under the visionary leadership of Narendra Modi ji. Narendra Modi ji is very fond of our Pawan Kalyan ji. He is a Pawan Putra like Vayudeva, because his brother megastar Chiranjeevi ji also, I know him. There are that family, entire family, service-oriented family, very kind-hearted family. Pawan Kalyan garu, eppudu baada chodaledu evaranna baadalo unte, ippudu Sanatana Dharmanaki Rakshaka, Parirakshaka Vayasu. He is the man who will protect the Sanatana Dharma values. I don't want to take much of time in his presence because the focus, real star, power star is here, Pawan Kalyan ji. This land produced Subramanya Bharatiyar ji. This land Karma Bhumi, Punya Bhumi produced Tiruvallar ji. This land produced warriors like Velu Nachiyar. Land produced Kodikati Kumaran ji. Veerabrahma Naidu ji. And so many stalwarts this land produced APJ Abdul Kalam. I am saluting all those stalwarts. This Punya Bhumi, unfortunately, the present rulers, because of petty politics, narrow-minded politics, family-oriented politics, they are talking ill about Sanatana Dharma. Our Kalyanji, Pawan Kalyanji will tell, I don't want to go into the subject. They are comparing Sanatana Dharma with virus, cancer, malaria. But Bhagavan Paramatma will teach them a lesson in this coming 2026 elections by befitting manner, by defeating these forces who are anti-people government running corrupt practices, everything, everywhere. The need of the hour is one election, one nation. Why? Vare Nadu, Vare Tirdal. Vare Nadu, Vare Tirdal. We can, one uniformity will be there. We can development, there will be no speed breaks for development in the name of election code. Our intelligent, visionary Prime Minister, that is the reason our previous ex-president Ramnath Kovindji, Amit Shah ji, all stalwarts in the committee submitted a report. Now this meeting, through this meeting, I am appealing one and all parties, leave your petty politics and narrow-minded politics and come forward to support this one nation, one election. You recently noticed this enemy country, Pakistan, who trained terrorists. If one nation, one election, there will be one voice. Unfortunately, the Mallikarjuna Kharge and Rahul Gandhi like personalities still, Chidambaram of this land, still they are saying ill about what is the number of flights got down in the Pakistan. There are so many gaps are there. They are doubting. They are insulting the morale of our armed forces. It is shameful in the party of Congress party leadership. They must apologize to this nation and this great country. Leave the petty politics and come forward, support this one nation, one election and support the government under the dynamic leadership of Narendra Modi ji. I am appealing one and all to come forward. This meeting meant for that. అందుకని నేను మీ అందరికీ శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేస్తూ అనైవరకం వాల్తికల్ నల్వాల్తికల్ I am expressing my gratitude to giving this opportunity before my respected, most respected brother Pawan Kalyan ji. He is the material of our today's, he is Arjuna, he is playing a Arjuna role. Like Bhagavan Sri Krishna, like in Kurukshetra, what happened in previous days, definitely he will be the Arjuna for Tamil Nadu, for politics and Puducherry and Kerala and Karnataka, Maharashtra, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, everywhere I am conveying my best wishes, sir. Many more milestones you have to lead. మీకు అనేక రకాలుగా రాబోయే రోజుల్లో మంచి జరగాలని జరుగుతుందని ఆ భగవంతుని కోరుకుంటూ మీ అందరికీ శుభాకాంక్షలు. నండ్రి వనక్కం, రొంబ సంతోషం.